a new video in my channel. It feels so great to be filming in my home back again. And yes, this one is once again a nail polish review video. During this lockdown I have made a lot of nail polish review videos and I'm almost at the end of my stock, but anyway, till stocks last I will keep on reviewing these nail polishes for you guys. So today, as the title suggests, the brand I will be reviewing is Purple. So this is the in-house brand of the website or the app called Purple, and please keep on watching this video to know more about this brand and whether you should buy this or not. And also please subscribe to my channel before you begin. So let's get started. So we can see all the shades that I bought from Purple. I have bought only mattes and glitters, and one of them is a gifted one to me, and that one is this particular red polish. This has been gifted to me by Shuporna Panigrahi. She has a channel called Lifestyle with Shuporna in YouTube where she posts videos on makeup and lifestyle. You guys should please check her out in YouTube and also follow her in Instagram for amazing content. So let's begin with the routine review. If you guys have been following my review videos so far, you guys know how I begin. I always begin with the bottle. So these bottles are cylindrical bottles with a matte black cap, and the cap is particularly pretty beautiful. I love this type of cap with this bobby print or this polka dots in golden on black. It looks really amazing. And the matte bottles have a frosted glass finish, and the normal ones, the glitters and the cream finish bottles, have just glossy glass finish. The back, as usual, the general information of the nail polish is written, and on the matte bottles the word matte is written right at the back. In the base you have the expiry and the manufacturing dates, and on top of the bottles you have the shade number and the shade name, and that's all about the bottle. Polishes have a shelf life of 3 years. Now let me just open the bottle. So it doesn't have any strong bad odor. It's just normal nail polish smell. That chemical smell you guys are well accustomed with. So let's talk about the brush right now. The brush is particularly pretty impressive. It's short, thick and stout, and has this flat or rounded type of base that easily helps to cover the cuticle area smoothly. And you will see in these clips that within a couple of strokes your wider nails are getting covered, and within a single stroke the narrow nails will get covered. And this is what I love about this brush. It's universal and it's easy to put on the nail polish. The consistency is right on point. It's neither gloopy nor runny, and it will self-level on your nails, and almost it's opaque in one single coat. And for better result you will obviously need 2 coats, and that's enough. So now I'll just stop talking for a while and let you through the swatches and come back right after. I know. Now, I really have to say this, the names of these nail polishes are quite weird and misleading. I like the high on part, that's okay, that's the code for all this, but why would a green nail polish be named high on caramel? I mean, where's the relation? So I would really like to know the idea behind the naming of these polishes like this. Matte nail polishes are usually pretty fast drying, and these are no exceptions. So within 10 to 15 minutes these nail polishes will not only dry but will also completely turn into a proper matte polish. There will be no gloss. I love the matte finish of these nail paints. And for the glitter polishes, they will also dry pretty fast, but removal of glitter polishes is always an issue, and these are again no exception to that. But still, you can give the glitters a try because they are really beautiful. Also, these nail paints do not stain your nails and will stay on your nails for 4 to 5 days pretty easily. So these bottles have 9 ml of product and they cost rupees 149, but I got them at a discount, and this matte nail paints cost me rupees 75 while the glitter ones cost me rupees 83. So there is always some sort of discount going on in the Purple website. For example, if you buy 5 you will get 50% off on each of these nail paints. If you buy 3 then 30% off on each of the nail paints, and sort of like that, and any other scheme as well. So these are available only in the Purple website, since these are in-house brand of the Purple website, and these are not available offline as far as I know, so that can be a disadvantage in case you want to swatch them on your finger and see for yourself whether you want to buy the color or not. but the swatches provided in the website are right on point. The swatches are pretty trustworthy. I have seen the swatches in Instagram. I can tell you that you can follow them blindly without any doubt, and on seeing the swatches and recommendation, I bought these nail polishes, and I can say that I am not deceived, and the swatches that you saw on my nails are exact replica of their pictures. So I just got exactly the shades I wanted, and there was no deception in any way. So here are a few points that have been listed in the Purple website about these nail paints. And I can say that whatever they are saying are absolutely true, and I do not disagree with these points. However, in an age when most of the polish brands are calling themselves toxic free and are using toxic free and cruelty free formulas, these nail paints do not win the battle in that case, because I have not found any information about these being toxic free in the official website. So I cannot say that these are toxic free, and this can be a little disadvantage from the market point of view and also from your nail care point of view. But otherwise, if we ignore that fact, otherwise everything about this nail paint is great brush, great consistency, long lasting, fast drying, and also the color payoff is really great. The range of colors is great. These are available in mattes, creams, and glitter polishes. So there are a lot of colors to choose from, and the swatches are really trustworthy in the website, so you can give this nail polishes a try. So finally, to sum everything up, I really like these nail polishes. They are not only cheap, but also the formulation is great. But if you think about the toxic content factor, then this might lose a few points and also lose a little bit in the market. So I would request the company to look into the matter, and if possible, they should come up with toxic free nail polishes. And that's all I can say about these nail polishes. I hope you like this honest review of me, and do tell me in the comments if you have ever used Purple nail polishes, or if you want to buy these nail polishes after hearing my review. I can tell you that they have a lot of colors to choose from, and you will not be disappointed. So with that, I'll sign off for today. Hope you guys liked my 100% honest review on nail polishes, and if you haven't watched my other reviews yet, please do watch it from my haul and review playlist, and I'm sure that you won't be disappointed by the level of honesty I put and the effort I put into these videos and the way I analyze each brand. So hope you guys will like my videos, and also please subscribe to my channel for more such content on nail polishes and nail art and something other related to lifestyle. For example, you can check my previous video on weight loss. So see you guys super soon with more videos. Till then, take care and tata.